Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 5, Topic एक ही भगवान है और एक ही इंसान. There is only one God and there is only one type of human being. See children, we all know that we have so many religions, so many castes and everything, but that is all made by human being, right children? So here what is given in this poem is there is all the gods are equal. If you are Christian, if you are Hindu, if you are Muslim, if you are Sikh, all the gods are one. There is no discrimination between the God. And same way we should live, all the people should live as a human being. We should first be a human being. We should not discriminate ourselves into different religions. That is what is given in this poem. We'll move on to the poem children. एक ही भगवान है और एक ही इंसान. There is only one God and there is only one human. आपस में हम भेद कर रहे हैं कैसे नादान. We are discriminating ourselves between us. How childish is this? We are discriminating ourselves in religions, in caste, and we are differentiating us as rich, poor, higher caste, lower caste. These all are not to be done, children. That is childish behavior. That is not a good person's work. Okay children, so we should not discriminate or differentiate ourselves. All are one. नहीं कोई हिंदू है और नहीं मुसलमान. There is no person like Hindu or Musliman. When a person is born, he is a human being first. The child we consider as a human being. We don't give him religion first. Okay children, so there is no person like he is Hindu or he is Muslim. And नहीं कोई सिख ईसाई केवल सब इंसान. There is no Sikh, no Isai, that is Christian. Isai means Christian. Keval sab insan. All the people are human beings. So there is no Hindu, no Muslim, no Sikh or no Christian. We all are first human beings. भारत माता एक है और हम सब हैं उसकी संतान. There is only one God for us, that is God is Bharat Mata. Where we are living, that is in our country India. We are living for our country and we take our God as Goddess Bharat Mata. और हम सब हैं उसकी संतान. And we all are the children of Goddess Bharat Mata. मिलकर ही तो बढ़ा सकेंगे अपने भारत माँ की शान. When I said we all are the children of God, Bharat Mata, Goddess Bharat Mata, then we should learn to be united. There is lot of power in unity, children. If we are united, no one can break us, no one can do anything to us. So, if we are united, then only we can make our country to be proud. If we discriminate ourselves as in different religions or caste, we can never prosper, children. We can only prosper when we are united. So मिलकर ही तो बढ़ा सकेंगे. When we are united only we can make अपनी भारत माँ की शान. We can make our country to be proud. If we are united, we can make our country to be proud. नारा अपना सदा शक्ति का सुखमय जीवन प्यारा. There should only be one motto, that is our strength should be used only to make our life and others' life peaceful. Okay children, the strength, we have our strength, so we should not use that strength in a negative way. We have to use that strength only in positive manner and that also to create happiness and peacefulness in our life and even in others' life. We have to use our strength to create peacefulness for others also. Not only in our life we need happiness or peacefulness, but we have to get that happiness and peacefulness for others also. So we have to help them, we have to be there for them. So our strength should not be used only for us, or it should not be used in a negative way. It has to be used to make others and ourselves happy. भाईचारा बड़े विश्व में. भाईचारा means children brotherhood. Okay, brotherhood means we have to think others as our brothers and sisters. We should not discriminate how he is Muslim or he is Christian and we have to be away from them. Nothing like that, children. We have to be like brothers and sisters. We have to live like that. You know our pledge, right, children? India is our country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. So when we are taking that oath daily, we have to create more and more brotherhood in ourselves, and we have to take care of others also as our brothers and sisters. फैले प्यार हमारा, then only we can spread love and equality to others also. When we make brotherhood with others, when we create good relations with others, then only we can spread love and happiness for others. नहीं कोई नीचा होगा, नहीं कोई ऊंचा. There should not be any discrimination like higher caste people or lower class people or a rich person or a poor person. We should not discriminate any human being in this manner. So there should not be any racial or age wise or any type of discrimination within us. We have to treat everyone equally. So nobody is rich, nobody is poor, nobody is from other caste, and nobody is well-to-do or nothing. They don't have anything, they are beggars, so we should not talk to them. Everyone are equal. Okay, children, we have to treat everyone like that only. सबके साथ बराबर होगा प्यार हमारा सच्चा. If our love is equal with everyone, we can also live happily and we can spread peace, we can spread love, we can spread kindness and everything. Spreading love is more important, children. We have to be like brothers and sisters with them. We have to treat them equally. Others are also like us only. We all are human beings first. After that only we have our religions or caste, anything. But first thing, we are human beings. So we should keep that in mind and we should spread love and peace for everyone. When we behave equally with everyone, our love will be true to everyone. Just not to show outside, you are my brother or you are my sister, like we are just showing it. We should not show it. It should come from deep of our heart and we have to treat them equally. Then only we can spread true love and peace to others. If you are kind to others, they will also help you whenever you need. Okay, children? So with this, the meaning of the poem is over. Now you can see here some word meanings are given for you. Just go through the word meanings, children. And for question answers and other exercises, we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.